Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm an artist, and today I'm gonna tell you the story of this painting right behind me. I recently just fixed the painting because 5 years ago, in 2015, I created this painting and I brought it to a restaurant in a club. It was a club restaurant and it got ruined with drinks. It got very ruined. So last year I picked it up, finally picked it up, and I had to do something with it. It looked different before. It didn't have a lot of the detail that you're going to see on this video that I added, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit of the process that you're going to see. I started with wiping down the whole surface with just water and a little rag, and as I was doing that, I've noticed that some paint was coming off, so I had no choice but to repaint it, the whole thing. And I wanted to take that chance and adjust the painting a little bit to my taste now. I incorporated some red paint, as you can see right here. It was not there before and I am so happy I did. I don't know, it's just one of those things, I had to see red in it. So I did, and I hope you like it. So here's a bit of a process of me fixing it and the final outcome. Hope you like it. So it's silly in my phone.
I'm cutting dice, look at these eyes, they're not here to please you. There was a time you could be mine, before all that you put me through. I knew that you were trouble, but I let that you were bad. I'm living in this bubble and it makes you so mad. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me, don't need you to like. You can watch me go, cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me, don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me.